KMDC ka Liang Pyrshah GHADC kelami Jyndat nagayen dorbar hadien baya ka adjournment motion junki begilawan ra benyatai Halor ke jingsa ateng ke Tulop ke basau puar Bnai kalasha kan tak no hau deputy chairman hinin kesngi UMDC BJP Bernard marak lambat prangut KMDC ke TMC lakan thoi ke executive committee namar ke jingbom don ke jingshai dah ke penpau ya ke jingbom ya hap ke ba arpu ar klor tingka ba ke jingmang pisah ke beduna na ke bentaki mat ki bakongsan kum ke puli puthi ke kot ke kia bat ki bor snong ke jingi ki ju ki dong trei ke badang ya ha William Point tura ke badawa ben pelak nok mardor ya ke Tulop ke ba omdunai ke khat ar Bnai kadang peteng hadu ke tayo ke belai.
But our adjournment motion was not accepted by the deputy chairman. And that adjournment motion was to discuss about the crisis which is prevailing in the district council right now due to non-payment of salaries to the employees for 42 months, which is a very serious issue. So we thought that this is more concerning than other business to take up in the session. So we wanted the adjournment motion to be taken up. But since it was not taken up, we had to work out yesterday.
Ka kun